Perception that we are now standing back solid on the future. And this is the future of African waste management, and this will soon be the past. So this is my favorite spot in Africa at the moment.
Right then, let's check it out from above.
Addis Ababa, this Repi waste-to-energy plant takes 420,000 tons of waste annually and produces 50 megawatts of electricity. That is enough power for 25% of Addis Ababans. And after 5 years of construction, Africa's first waste-to-energy facility, this Dollars waste-to-energy facility, is said to be fully financed by the Ethiopian government, Cambridge Industries and China National Electric Engineering
Corporation. As my predecessors mentioned, international partnership. And I believe we can do more projects together by way of co-financing.
Meter uncontrolled, it's going to release more dioxins and toxics if you burn it for 1 hour. And this facility in a year.
Wow.
The fly ash is highly toxic. It's a shiny tower on top of the hill. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but we will have a better view. That is actually our transmission line. We erected that tower, and it's only 3.2 kilometers from the facility to the main grid, which is extremely. It's a very, very short distance if you compare to hydropower or wind power. And that is good because it's economical, and it's also good because the energy loss in the transmission line, especially in a country like Ethiopia, is very high. It's 19% in Ethiopia. So it's very energy. I mean, you can actually use the energy that you produce more efficiently from waste energy because the transmission line is extremely short when you compare it to hydropower. So this is where the trucks will come up. The ironic thing is that from the inside, in the waste bunker, we're sitting on the waste crane. It picks up 12 cubic meters of garbage in every scoop. That's about 8 tons. The reason for the waste bunker and the size for it is that we do want to keep the waste here for 5 days. That is produced in the boilers, pushed into the steam turbines. They're basically reverse jet engines. It spin around 3,000 laps a minute and produce the renewable electricity. And the flue gas is warming up the walls. The walls is warming up the water inside the walls, which is turning to steam. And instead of building this 3 times as high, it goes like this, it turns, and then it goes down. And
used to provide electricity for the people living around Koshe landfill or those across Ethiopia's capital. Ethiopia's Repi waste-to-energy facility, by the way, delivers more than electricity to the country. The ash from the facility will be used to annually produce 3 million bricks for local use. 3.6 million kilograms of scrap metal will be collected from here for recycling purposes, and 1.2 million tons of carbon dioxide will be turned into oxygen. That is equal to planting 900,000 trees every year.